Just wanted to take a couple minutes here to show you how to swap out these latches on pretty much, I don't want to say any Packout, but anything that isn't the slim organizers. I've had a couple of guys ask if they're easy to do, if they're hard to do. They're really pretty straightforward. So I'll show you here, hopefully in a couple of minutes, how to do that. So obviously you need a couple of replacement latches. These are the ones that I use, that Vernon decked out Packout prints for me. And you need a couple of tools, nothing crazy. I personally use this little terminal driver, just an old Klein Tools one I have laying around. A pair of channel locks, sometimes you need these, sometimes you don't. And then a 5/32 drill bit. And again, sometimes you don't need this, but sometimes you do. So we want to start obviously by removing the factory latches. So if you've never done this before, basically we're trying to get this red plastic piece up over this little molded retainer to take this whole assembly out. So what I do is I use the little terminal driver, put it in beside the little plastic retainer, and I just put a little pressure on there, and you can see it's created a gap enough to get over this. So just fold this back, and then I grab this, the D-ring, if you will, and I just pull that out. Pretty easy. So we'll get that out of the way. So that's the factory latch, and we want to separate the actual black latch from this red plastic piece, and we're going to take this off as well. So you have to look closely at the pin. There is a right way and a wrong way to take these out. So this is the end that we want to push on. You probably can't really see it well here in the camera, but there is an end that has little teeth on it that all the way around. So we want to push that out this way. So I use the same terminal driver, just line it up there, just put it down on my bench, and without covering it up, just a little bit of pressure and it pops right out. So you can probably see that better now. So those are the little teeth on the one end. So you want to push it that way. So now that we have that separated, I'm going to separate the metal ring from the factory latch, so you can see how it goes together. So just with a little bit of pressure, just pulls right off. So we get rid of that one, and we get this. So obviously the pin is designed to slide through here, and this is where I use that 5/32 drill bit sometimes. So you don't always have to do that. Just makes life a little easier. We line that up on there. Line our pin up. So now we've got it started. Sometimes you can just push these through. Sometimes they're not that easy. So to save my thumbs, this is what I do. Just with a bit of pressure, a couple of squeezes, and we can see that's all the way in. And then we want to put this on. So get it in one side, and then just with a little bit of pressure, you kind of want to stretch that out. And there you go, replacement latch. Grab the Packout box, slide that back in, and we're just gonna push. You hear that snap, and it's done. It's all replaced. So we'll do that one more time real quick. So once you've done a bunch of them, you can get quite quick at them. Get rid of that. Put our new latch in. Line our pin up. Get it started. Just a little bit more. And put the clasp on. Slide that in, lock it on, and there we go. 2 replacement latches. So hopefully that helps. Have a great day.